Years trying to be healthier in the new year, breathing exercises can really help you focus on health and wellness in the new year. I'm joined on the Action News 5 digital desk by Dr. Steve Knopf. He's a doctor of chiropractic and vice president of chiropractic and compliance at the Joint Chiropractic. Dr. Steve, thank you for joining us. What's the best way to start taking care of your health right off the bat? What do you tell your patients? Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me. Yeah, a couple of great exercises for getting into a breathing routine or breathing habit. There's a couple that we recommend. First is alternate nostril breathing, which is a bit of a mouthful, but is really very common in yoga classes. It's where you block one side of your nose and then do some deep breathing through the other side of your nose. You then change sides, block one side, do more deep breathing on the other side. The other exercise is called square breathing, where you picture a square, you inhale for 4 seconds, working up one side of the square, hold your breath, and then exhale, working down the other side, holding your exhale out, and then working through that cycle. Going through that process is a great way to help really calm anxiety. It can help reduce stress and might even give you a little bit of an energy boost.
Tell me, I was going to say, like, you know, I see a lot of people on social media, Steve, and perhaps you do as well, that talk about certain breathing exercises early in the morning. Can you talk more about those benefits? Why is breathing? Because many of us, and we have thousands of people that watch us on the digital desk, many of us are thinking, what's the big deal? I breathe, and sometimes I'll take deep breaths, and I mean, I don't understand the difference.
Yeah, it's hard to make the connection, but it is definitely growing in awareness. A lot more people are talking about this, and you can use smart devices now often have breathing apps that are already preloaded on them. You can use those to get into the routine, whether you're doing it in the morning, the afternoon, or the evening. Just work your way into it. Try to incorporate it once, maybe twice a day, and try to build up from there. But yeah, as I mentioned earlier, you know, getting into that habit and routine can help really manage stress, manage anxiety, and a lot of us experience that, whether that's at work or driving, you get cut off in a lane, or maybe you're an athlete and you're looking to improve your performance. Having a breathing routine can help drive focus, improve clarity, and improve overall athletic performance as well.
Tell me how this ties into chiropractic care.
So when you breathe well, it's actually a natural way to relax your body. So if you've got tight muscles, it can release muscle tension, but your body can also have an impact on your breathing. So if you have poor posture, your shoulders are rolled forward, you've got tight upper back and neck muscles, that actually restricts your rib cage, so you can't breathe as well as you normally should. With routine chiropractic adjustments, we can get the body moving better, increase your flexibility. That improves your rib cage's ability to move, and you just get more out of each breath that you take.
So if someone's just starting out, because I see what you're saying, because I notice that sometimes if I'm doing an event, if I'm emceeing or in front of a large crowd speaking with people, I will sometimes take some big deep breaths before I go on stage, and it does help. It does calm you down. If someone is just trying out or wants to, you know, improve their health and wellness through breathing exercises, or I guess it's called conscious breathing, what should they be doing?
Well, first, just develop a habit. It's just like any other resolution that you mentioned. Hopefully, we're still sticking to them. But creating habits is tough. So pick a time in the day that you want to aim for. Maybe leverage technology to help set reminders or track your habit throughout your new resolution. These are great ways to start to integrate it. The nice thing with breathing exercises, unlike dieting or maybe unlike exercising, you can do this anywhere. So you can do it on drives to work, you can do it at the office, you can do it at home, you can do it during a hobby or an athletic event. So there's a lot of opportunity to integrate this in just your day-to-day.
Awesome. And where can people go for more information, Steve?
For more information, you can visit thejoint.com.
Okay. Dr. Steve Knopf there with the Joint Chiropractic. We appreciate you talking about this conscious breathing and the exercises to benefit our health and overall wellness. Thanks very much.
Thanks for having me.